In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gmail plus Trello plus a CRM on just one screen, 5 minutes. We're bringing your inbox, contacts, and deals together so you can work from a single Trello board. Start by logging into Trello and opening or creating a board dedicated to your sales pipeline. Give the board a clear name so your team instantly knows its purpose. Build your pipeline visually. Create lists that mirror your sales stages, such as new lead, qualified, proposal, negotiation, and won. Each card represents a single deal or contact. Add the person or company name as the card title and include keynotes in the description so context lives right on the card. Labels can help you flag priority or region, and due dates keep follow-ups on track. Next, open the board menu and go to Power-Ups. This is where you connect Trello with tools you already use. In the Power-Ups directory, search for a Gmail-friendly CRM Power-Up, such as Crumble or Cardbox, and add it to your board. When prompted, follow the on-screen steps to connect your Gmail account. You'll see a secure Google sign-in and permission screen. Accept the required access so emails can sync to your cards. If you're on a company workspace, you may need admin approval before it activates. Once connected, the Power-Up enriches your cards automatically. It can add contact details to each card and surface helpful fields like email addresses or last interaction dates. Even better, it brings entire email threads right into the card, so you can review the full conversation without switching tabs. This keeps history, context, and next steps all in one place. From there, you can reply to messages or compose new emails directly inside the card. Type your subject and message, attach files if needed, and send. Your communication stays linked to the deal, and updates are instantly visible to teammates. This saves time and prevents lost context across tools. To stay organized at scale, set up automation rules in the Power-Up. For example, when an email comes in from a specific sender or domain, automatically create or update a card in your new lead list. You can route messages to the right stage, assign an owner, and ensure no lead slips through the cracks. That's it. Trello for pipeline visibility, Gmail for communication, and a CRM-style Power-Up to tie it all together on a single screen. Set up your board, connect the Power-Up, bring in your threads, and manage deals without leaving Trello. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.